Morning everyone. Today's topic is constraint optimization technique. Whatever optimization technique such as maximization of total revenue, minimization of average cost, profit, maximize condition we have learnt in last class is based on one assumption that businesses work in the environment where they never face the problems related to resources. Means ನಾವು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಏನು ಆಪ್ಟಿಮೈಸೇಷನ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಲ್ತೇವಲ್ಲ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಎಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಐತಿ. ಆ ಎಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಎಂಥ ಎನ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ನಾಗ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ದ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಸಸ್ face the problem in regarding with the resources. In such a condition, the technique that is used to optimize the business objective under resource constraint are called as constrained optimization technique. Angandra, the technique which is used to find out the best result to fulfill the business objective when there is a problem related to resources is called as a constraint optimization technique. There are three type of constraint optimization technique. First one is optimization by substitution technique. Second one is Langerian multiplier. Third one is linear programming. Now let us see the application of substitution method of constraint optimization problem to profit maximization and the cost minimization problem. Means ನಾವು ಏನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಈಗ ಆಪ್ಟಿಮೈಸೇಷನ್ ಬೈ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಕೈತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಬೈ ಅಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆನ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಿನಿಮೈಸೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ is related to constraint profit maximization, meaning here we have to maximize the profit but there is a problem or a constraint related to the resources. Let us take the example. Suppose the profit function is given as profit equals to 100x minus 2x square minus xy plus 180y minus 4y square. Here the constraint is the maximization of profit function with a constraint on an output that the sum of x and y must be equals to 30. when we read a sum, ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾವು ಸಮ್ ಓದ್ತೇವೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬೈ ಸೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದ ಫರ್ಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಟೂ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೈ. ಸೊ ಏನು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಹಾಕತ್ತಾರ, by using this profit function you have to find out the profit maximization, but there is one constraint ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಐತಿ. ಆ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ the total output of producing both the product x and y should be equals to 30. ಹಂಗಂತಂದ್ರೆ ದ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಏನು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ ಕಂಪನಿ ಎರಡು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ವೈ ಎರಡು ಕೂಡಿಸಿದಾಗ ಆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರ್ತೈತಿ 30ನ ಇರಬೇಕು. ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ 30. ಸೊ we have to find out the profit maximization where x plus y is 30. So let us see by solving the problem. Step number 1. The value of x and y should be expressed in term of one another. Let us see what the sentence means. The value of x and y should be expressed in term of one another. In problem they have given the constraint x plus y equals to 30. So the meaning of express in terms of one another is here x equals to, if we bring y on another side, 30 minus y, or y equals to 30 minus x. Step number 2. We should substitute the value of x or y in the profit function and find the maximization solution. So second step is we have to substitute the value of x or y in the profit function and then find the maximization. So now let us substitute the value of x and y in profit function. The profit function equals to 100 x minus 2x square minus xy plus 180y minus 4y square. So now we will substitute the value of x in the profit function. So 100 into value of x is 30 minus y minus 2 into 30 minus y square minus 30 minus y square into y plus 180y minus 4y square. So profit equals to 100 into 30, 3000 minus 100 into y, 100y minus 2. See here it is 30 minus y whole square. So we have to apply a minus b whole square formula. A minus b whole square formula is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So here a square is 30 square is 900 minus 2ab. 2ab is 2 into 2ab is 60y. 60y plus y square minus 30 into y, 30y, y into y minus y square plus 180y minus 4y square. So profit equals to 3000 minus 100y minus 2 into 900, 1800. 2 into 60 is minus 2 into 60 is plus 120y minus 2 into plus y minus 2y square minus 30y minus y square plus 180y minus 4y square. So profit equals to 3000 minus 1800, that is 1200 minus 100y plus 180y plus 120y equals to plus 170 y. So minus 2y square minus y square. So next one is here it will be plus y, because minus minus plus sign. So minus y square plus y square minus 2y square is equal to minus 5y square. So profit function is 12,000 plus 170 minus 5y square. Step number third. Step number third. Now we will find out the derivative of profit function and set it equal to 0 0 to find profit maximization. So profit function equals to 12,000 plus 170y minus 5y square. So derivative, we should find the derivative by using rule of differentiation. Here we will use rule number 1 and rule number to find the derivative. Rule number 1, according to rule number 1, the constant is equals to 0. 12,000 is the constant, so it is always equal to 0 according to rule number 1 of rule of differentiation. Plus we'll find out the derivative of 170y by using rule number 2 of rule of differentiation, that is derivative of power, which means y derivative of y equals to b a x raised to b minus 1. Here b is 1 into a is 70, b is x is y, b is 1 minus 1, so it will be equal to 170. So 170 minus 5y square, the derivative is find out by using rule 2 of an rule of differentiation, that is derivative of y is equal to b a x raised to b minus 1, so it will be equal to 10y. So derivative of profit function is 170 minus 10y. Now we will set this equation to 0 so that we can find out the value of y. 170, if we bring minus 10y on other side, it will be plus 10y. So y equals to 170 divided by 10. So y equals to 17. Now we will find out the value of x by substituting the value of y in the following equation. Y equals x equals to 30 minus y, that is x equals to 30 minus 17, that will be equal to 13. So last step, that is step 4. Now we will find out the maximized profit profit under constraint by substituting the value of x and y in profit function. Therefore profit function equals to 100x minus 2x square 2x square minus xy plus 180y minus 4y square, that is equals to 100 into 13 plus 2 into 13 square minus 13 into 17 plus 180 into 17 minus 4 into 17 square. This will be equal to 2645. So the profit under the constraint will be equal to 2645.